Okay, now that I'm at the top, what I have to do is reach this over the top 2 steps here and get it to latch on. All right, I got my safety pin attached. Now I can lean the ladder out and hook my drill up and start lowering it down. Now we just need to hook our payload up down beneath. All right, now that we're all hooked up, all we have to do is tighten the drill and bring it all the way up. We're almost there. All right, now that we've reached the top, we can lean our payload over and drop it all the way down.